Okay, so this is just the little area that's across from the freshman dorm on Rosemont, and the crunching is me on gravel. Can I not see what?
You really see in the dark? Yeah.
Yes, I can see quite well.
How about your camera?
Pretty much. We can see that you're disgustingly close. Jessica, and don't poke me or I will hit you. And that. Oh!
Hey, that wasn't me.
Oh, sorry, Jessica.
Wow. I feel loved.
Oh, goodness, that thing wobbled. Down there, if you can see it, it's the campus pervert. Oh, goodness, I broke something.
You broke it all.
Oh, let's see. Oh, it seems some of the
concrete.
Yeah.
It's mortar. What's mortar?
It's the thing it's the stuff you use between bricks to keep a building to. What is that?
Oh, that's a bunch of crap.
Yes. Well, it's actually quite nice outside at this current moment. But
wait, you're filming this? Yes.
What do you think? That's why I said you were the local campus pervert of little girls. They make us feel so good.
What am I, the local
Just put it on the other
local
side.
singer or something, or what?
Put it on the other side.
You'd think that everyone in Peloton would be the campus singer. We'll have to figure that out later. Well, true. Oh look, I think there's a plane. The little flashing light there. Plane.
Be careful.
Not much going on. It's nice and cool and quiet.
Strange.
Crap. Oh goodness.
Oh
I
yeah,
almost tripped
there is
and
crap.
Yes, goose crap. They seem to think this entire campus is their own personal lavatory. Over there you'll see Lawrence, where most of the art classes are, and behind giant Annie and Jessica's head,
We don't know.
there is what? Good counsel, where there's a couple classrooms, but
Or somewhere.
none of us are really in them. That's our dorm. Next to it, there is the McShane Science Building, and over there is Mayfield, one of the other dorms. But, yeah, let me use this hand so I don't get tired. Yeah, you can't see everything on campus from here. There's a couple other buildings on the opposite end. Well, yeah.
Given a narration.
Well, they can't tell what buildings are if I just go and point cameras willy-nilly.
Willy-nilly. Oh, you see me from the back. You're probably like,
yes, the local. Oh, you can see the little pedophile much better than light. That's a creek. Well, we're going to go back into our rooms because it is rather late. Let's see if I can get a good shot of this. Okay, I'm done. Say goodbye, everyone.
bye.
Wave. Good night. Ignore the mean little Asian girl.